Hey everybody, Crazy Grandma here. I planned this layout the other day on Cricut Design Space, and so I'm getting ready to cut it so I can do this layout. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this title. I'm going to move this background because you can only slice through two things. You cannot slice more than that. So I'm going to come up and hit slice, and let's see if it works. My internet's going to allow it. Oh, yes, it did. So I'm going to move all of this out of the way. Is it? Well, how many do I need here? That's what happens when you hit the button too many times. Anyway, so I'm going to come back here and put this back over here. And no matter what color I put behind here, that will show up through here. I can also add a small strip underneath it and make it a different color. I love when this works out like this.